Hello YouTube's Fix Picks. Right, I've done a disassemble of a lock. Drilled the little plugs out, and I'm going to repin this one. But I'll just show you what goes wrong. Now this one it's a paperweight now. The 6th pin is something like, I'll get it out, this, and that holds the core in. If you turn your key and eject this, pull your core out, because the pin's not holding the core in, it smashes up against this bit here. So that goes north, the spring goes south, and the locking paw goes bleeding anywhere. So at the moment the spring's at the back of my fish tank, which you can probably hear in the background. So as I say, I buggered that up. So the idea is, I've taken that out. I can draw out the plug and I've retained the locking paw, and this is closed. But if you open that, you lose the lock. So I'll load everything in through the holes. There's nothing been done to the core, they're just plain. I've got to get this in. Right, so first thing to do is get this pin in. There's no spring in there to hold the pin in, it's the tightness of this, so don't over tighten it. Now I can put the key in even though there's no pins. So this is really hard, it's been out in the elements. I do have another one. These are all keyed alike. Now this one is older but in better condition than that one. This is the newer one with Vasa alloy on it. This is the old Junior Mark. These are local government locks, like councils, and they have them on cupboard doors. Bin runs are shut up, some of them, and just to show that the local caretaker is intelligent, they put the number of the key on there, and they also put it on the back of the key, just to help him out. Yeah, I was one of them. There we go. Right, so we're back to putting this together. So we've got the retaining pin in, so the core's not going to pop out. That's all locked. I'm going to start with pin 1. I'm going to take some pictures of these at the end so you can see the pins. But all the key pins are standard. So we'll just pop these in quick. 2. And number 3. Number 4. Number 5 from there. As I say, these are all standard pins. I've got one spool which I shall put in number 1, just to make it different. They all come with standard pins, top and bottom, and the rest are just normal pins. Got the shakes today. in. Three. 1, 2, 3. This is the pouring bit. One more. I'm gonna try and put the crab screws in as quick as I can. I don't want to bore you with all the dull bits. But thanks to Paul Springer, I can never pronounce that properly. It was him showing how to take the brass padlocks to pieces with the that padlock in the blue box that he did. I can't remember. It all came in bits and he assembled it, and then he shows you how to pull the plugs out. So thanks Paul, because of you I wouldn't have done this. Right, last one. So there we have a rekeyed Union Assa Abloy X council lock. No, they're not stolen, they're bought in a car boot sale, so I bought them legitimately. There's the lock, and that's that. Just a quickie on the end. This is a wire pulling tool. You thread your wire through, little hole in there, and you can straighten your wire. It's also used for keying up. And that does hold it really rigid. I'm quite happy with that. I've got that on Amazon. I think it was about £14. I probably paid over the top. It might have been cheaper on eBay. Excuse me. But it does its job. I'm quite proud of that one. Also, I've started to make some pins, and I've found out that you can put a jewellery saw blade down through the hole and hold it so that the jewellery blade comes out through the end, so when you're cutting your pins you haven't got to hold it in your hand. I've been doing it as a razor blade, and it's a bit dangerous. It could flip back on you. So there's that. And there's a couple of unions there. Excuse me. So there we go, Fix Picks. Thanks for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe.